Hey guys, this is Alexis, Sophia Leather. All right, in this video, it's gonna be short, but I wanna talk about one of the first products I'm gonna release, reopening my shop and taking business. That's gonna be releasing this pattern. See this right here? I don't have the actual product in my shop right now, but it's a Firefighter tool belt, okay? And I've made a video maybe a year ago pertaining to this tool belt. I've made a couple for a couple of guys, but I think I want to offer this as a downloadable pattern. So I'll be working on that first and foremost, Firefighter tool belt pattern and build along video. That's going to be a process. That's going to be the first thing that I want to do jumping out of the gate here in my new shop. As far as the shop, this is just a temporary little shop setup that I did the other day. It's just enough space to do what I need to do. The two Husky tables back there, if you haven't seen the last video, I did an overview, first impression video on a Husky adjustable height workbench. I did that the other day, and check it out. Link will be in the description, as well as right here, this little card thingy. I don't know where it's at. But yeah, so that's my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about that, the Firefighter tool belt, and maybe offering it as a finished product as well. I'm kind of throwing out the idea of not working with English bridle, colored English bridle. Typically, and this is not concrete, but typically I buy black English bridle, have dark brown English bridle, which is, they call it Havana, and I buy like a British brown. And I buy natural vegetan, somebody wants natural. And what I find is I have a lot of leather that I don't use, the British brown I don't use that much, and it don't really take too much or too long to dye the leather. So I was just toying with this idea of just sticking with natural vegetan, Herman Oak natural vegetan, and just dyeing it. Black, dark brown, or red. Those are the two colors, the three colors that I sell the most anyway, or just natural. I don't know, just let me know what you think about that. I'm still struggling with that a little bit. There's a lot more versatility just buying the natural vegetan and just dyeing it. This way I don't have to worry about committing to those sides and those colors, as well as the versatility, like I said. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments below what you think about all these things. I'll be working on that this week, working on the pattern, and then working on the build along video. All right, God bless you guys. Have a good day. Bye. This is in focus, T-Talks.